Hi, my name is Daniel Forquet, and here's my Project 1 presentation. The objective of the project was to create a tool that compares the groundwater nitrate levels with the cancer rates in Wisconsin at the tract level. The main requirements were that it needed to have a graphical user interface, the ability for the user to customize the k-value for interpolation, and the ability to save the output. I used ArcPy with ArcGIS Pro and tkinter to build this project. I provide a lot of extra detail in the project report, but here's a quick overview of the process. First, I needed to put both datasets into the same format to compare the two. Since the nitrate data is in point format, I used IDW interpolation to create a continuous raster layer representing nitrate levels throughout the state. I used that output to estimate the mean nitrate level per tract. Then I ran linear regression to find the relationship between the two datasets, and spatial autocorrelation to validate the linear regression. And here's the main screen for my tool. The user can adjust the k-value of the IDW interpolation here, and there are checks in place to make sure that the value in output is a valid number greater than 1. So we will just go ahead and put 1.7 and hit Run Analysis. And once you hit Run Analysis, the analysis starts running in the background, and a progress bar shows up to show you what's going on in the background. And a quick note on the graphics that you see in the background. I really didn't like the way the tkinter creates this 90s style graphics. It's just kind of ugly. So I just decided to play around with this backdrop image that has the IDW output, and I don't know, just got kind of creative with it. And it's kind of funny because it went from being a 20-year-old looking Office application to being it looks more like a 20-year-old's strategy game now or something. So I had fun doing it though. And it is just wrapping up here. Okay, so after the analysis is complete, the frame on the right shows the results. The user can switch back and forth between the IDW results and the OLS results, and the map will change here. And they can also have the option to save the map as a PDF if they choose. And you can also view the OLS report in PDF format. That is the output from the tool from ArcGIS Pro. And I go through what all this means in the project report. And you can also look at the spatial autocorrelation report, which I also go into in the project report. And that is my project. So if you're interested in taking a look at the code, you can check out my GitHub account. And if you happen to have ArcGIS Pro version 2.7.1 or higher, you can clone the repository on your end and actually run it on your computer. You would just want to run this run project 1 batch file, and it will launch it in the correct Python environment on your end. And that's my project. Thank you for watching.